Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your terrific Thursday weather update. Overnight model runs seem to have confirmed and made a lot clearer that we are going to get this coastal storm slash extra tropical system over the weekend. Um, Here is the system now. It's kind of brewing, if you want to put it in simple terms, and then it starts to circulate down in the off the southeast coast of South Carolina and east northeastern coast of Florida, and then as you can see, a little piece here kind of breaks off from the main low down here, which is really not moving, and it sends that up, and it's on that right flank of the storm that's going to throw it right up into the northeast. So as I go a little further, and at the same time, this this low, the parent low, starts to strengthen, and it goes down to a fairly strong nine. It's a very low grade um, extratropical system, but still, it's organized. It's symmetrical. It looks actually pretty good. Now this had been the winter, and this was you know a snow event. This would not be a snow event for us. This would be a rain event. This would be an inland runner or cutter and deliver snow to the central PA and central New York. So kind of the same scenario there as we would experience in the winter. Let me go to another model because there's multiple models here. This is the European, which last night had the system kind of coming up the coast, but kind of moving out to to um, to sea. I didn't think that was a likely scenario. You have this high to the north. You have high ridges here. You have a block. Essentially, you have a block. So I didn't think it could do that. And now I think it's pretty well confirmed that it does this almost the same thing as the GFS. Let me go to this is, for all intents and purposes, just to confirm the Canadian, which does the same thing, is a little bit more due north than the other models, but pretty much the same scenario. In terms of rain, that's what we're most interested in. You have to forgive me, my voice is just a little broken up. I've had a rough couple days. Um, you can see that the Canadian gives us roughly 3 to 3.5 inches of rain. The other models give a little less. The GFS gives us approximately 2 to 2.5, maybe. Sorry. And the Euro pretty much gives us the same amount as a little bit more than the GFS. It gives us about 2.5, gives about, 2.5 to 3. So you can pretty much, when one model says it, when you discount it. When two models say it, you kind of like, it's still up in the air. When three models confirm it and all the other models confirm it, then you pretty much have to go with it. And it's pretty much working out in the scenario that I laid out the other night. All right, that's it for me. Brandon Doherty, Dell Weather Guy, saying adios. Have a great Thursday.